Hello class, in this video we're going to learn how to make a website. So by now you guys have learned how to, you've learned the basic HTML elements, and so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and build a website, and that will allow us to continue learning about web technologies and how they are all put into place. Okay, so the subject for this website is what we're going to do is we're going to build a pet shop for a fictitious business, and what's going to happen is this is the way that the website is going to work. We're going to have a home page, and that's what we call the landing page. That's the first page that anybody goes to, and on that page there's going to be links to the varying pets that this website is going to be selling. So we'll have a link to our dogs for sale, our cats for sale, our fish for sale, and our birds for sale pages. Now these pages are all going to pretty much look the same, except for obviously there'll be different pets on each page. Okay, and they're going to, so these pages are going to look different from our home page. Right, so this is what we're going to have on the home page. There's going to be a banner at the top. We're going to have links to each of those pages, the dogs, the cats, the fish, and the birds pages. There's going to be a page heading. There'll be, and then there'll be sections for dogs for sale, cats for sale, fish for sale, birds for sale. And then at the bottom we're going to have a page footer, which is also going to have the same links on it. Now, that's always getting in the way. So what I want you to do is, and I'm going to show you how to do this, each of these sections will be separated into rows like such, and you'll see how that we separate all these sections out. Okay, and it's going to be the same with the pet pages. Now the pet pages are all going to look the same, but they're going to be slightly different from the home page. So we've still got a banner at the top, we've got our links, we've got our page heading. So those three top sections there are going to be exactly the same as the home page. And then it starts to differ. If we're going to have I want a paragraph to say why the pet type, let's say we're talking about dogs, or this is the dogs page, why dogs make good pets, and then how to look after your pet, how to look after your dog. And then we're going to have sections for each dog that we're selling. So there'll be a heading, there'll be the price for that dog, a description of the dog, and a photo of the dog. And then we're going to repeat that. We're going to repeat those 4 items for each pet that we're selling, for each dog that we're selling. Okay? And then the bottom of the page is going to be the page footer links, cats, dog, fish, and birds, exactly the same as what we've got up here. So we've got varying elements on both sorts of pages that are going to be the same. Okay, so here's a few notes about what we need to do. You're going to need to decide on a name for your pet shop. We're going to use Microsoft Paint to create a banner for the top of each page. Note the divisions are the same, of each page are the same. I've actually already covered that. I don't want you to spend time trying to get the page to look good with different colors and font sizes and all of that. Don't worry about the way it looks at this stage. We're going to go back and I'm going to explain how to, and show you how that we can get these pages looking good. At the moment all we're interested in doing is just getting the HTML elements on the page, and they're all the text is going to align to the left, just like what we've got here. But as long as we've got them in all of these in different sections, we'll be able to do the making it look good quite easy later on. I'll be showing you how to do that. So To do these sections are actually each going to get put into div tags. I'll show you how to do that, and you'll find out why we do that later. And that last comment there, I've already explained that will show you ways of making the website look good. Okay, so there's our introduction. That's what we're going to try to achieve, and I think I'll leave it at the end of that video, and we'll go on and do another video where we actually start making the page up.